Hello, I just wanted to get on here and explain my kits a little bit further. My kits differ from a regular needle felting kit because you actually hand sew the pieces together first before you needle felt. The reason why I do this is because there's absolutely no more guessing or having to mess with the arms or the legs to get them the exact same size on both sides. The work is basically done for you after you sew the form together. I will say that you do needle felt some of the pieces before attaching. So don't just sew everything together, attach, and then needle felt. You do have to follow the instructions. But this is just what he would look like if he had absolutely no needle felting to him. Now I'm going to show you everything that comes in the kit. You'll open it up and you'll have a card. On the card, it'll have the website address as well as the password to unlock the instructions. You're going to open it up. Everything is bagged and labeled for the pieces, the eyes. You have little bags for the roving, for the nose. You will have your thread, your chopstick to help you stuff the doll. You'll also have a little vial that will contain your needle felting needle. In this case, a doll needle for your bear, a regular hand sewing needle, and your pins. You will also have a tape measure. The tape measure is for measuring the distance for the eyes as well as some of the shaping stitching that I have on here. And I also use it to measure the length of my threads, which are given to you on little thread cards if you want to pre-measure everything. You don't have to, I just personally do that. This is your needle felting mat. You're mainly going to use this for the ears, as well as just having your bear sit on top of it while you are working on it. Do not attempt to have to go through this mat all the time because it's easier to break your needle if you do that for the needle felting part. A mat is basically there so you don't hit the hard surface of the table because that will mess with the felting needle. And then I will also give you the roving as well as the stuffing. The only thing this kit doesn't include would be scissors to cut your thread. But yeah, that is Frank.